You've seen the before picture of my sister's room in Italy, and now you're going to see the after. But this room was so important because it was the only one in the entire house that had a light fixture in it. So we had to sleep in this for a week. The furniture wasn't there, so these twin beds were stackable beds that we called baby beds. So we were in here for a week, no furniture, but we had an island of closet components in the center we used as a table in the meantime while we waited for everything to arrive. Now, my sister did put the closet together. I just helped with the doors so I can get a little bit of credit. Right here, we do have curtains for that window already. However, we don't have a ladder long enough or tall enough. So this corner in the back, she's going to have a big, comfy chair in there, and the rug is going to be replaced with something more decorative and a larger scale. Things on the walls, yes, important, and also a mirror somewhere. The desk she has, the desk, the chair, and the light fixture were purchased at a thrift shop, consignment store. The desk is very important because she's a special education teacher getting her master's degree, so she's kind of brilliant.